Hi, today we're starting with 3-digit subtraction. Let's do number 1. We have 500 minus 199. We have 0 on the top, but because 0 is smaller than 9, we're going to have to borrow 10 from the hundreds place over here, so 5. Okay, so we're going to do, as we borrow it, that is going to turn into 4. And now this is 10, because 10 plus 0 is 10. But we also need to make this a 10. So that is going to be, so we're going to borrow a 10 from the tens place now. We have 9, and we add 10 to the 0, which is going to be a 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 over here is 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 301. Now let's try number 2. We have 362 minus 148. So 2 is smaller, but it's on top, so we're going to have to borrow 10 from the tens place. So 6 is going to turn into 5, and we're going to add 10 to the 2, which is going to be 12. Now 12 minus 8 is 4, and 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. We have 214. Now let's go to the bottom, and we're going to try number 7. 428 minus 239. Again, the top number is smaller, so we're going to borrow 10 from the tens place. So the 2 is going to be a 1, and now we have 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus 3, we can't do it, so we're going to borrow 10 from the hundreds place, which is going to make the 4 to 3, and now we're going to add 10 to 1, which is going to be 11. Now we're going to do 11 minus 3, and that is 8. And now we have 3 minus 2, we have 1. So 189 is our answer. Okay, let's move on. Write the value of the digit underlined. So if you write this number, 398, into an expanded form, we have 300 plus 90 plus 8. And the 9 is our second digit, and it's underlined, right? So our second digit is 90. So we're going to put 90. Sorry. Now we're going to do number 2. We have 72, which is 70 plus 2. And the 2 is underlined, so we just have 2. And number 3, if we write this in an expanded form, we do 500 plus 9. So we do 500. So 500 is our answer. Now let's move on. Draw the given time on the clock. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 0, 0. So if you look at this, here we have 0, 0, right? Our minute hand, the long one, is going to point at 0, 0, which is 12. Okay? And we have 8. So that is good. So our hand, the short one, is going to point at 8. Sorry. Okay. Now we're going to do number 2. Here we have 45. So 45 is over here, which is 9. Our minute hand is going to point at 9. And we have 6. 6:45, so it's going to be between 7, 6, and 7. Sorry. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to do the word problems. Aiden and his family picked 458 strawberries at a strawberry farm. On the way home, Aiden eats 25 strawberries, his sister eats 37 strawberries, and his mom eats 18 strawberries. How many strawberries are left? So we're going to do 25 plus 37 plus 18 first. Okay? 25 plus 37. That's 12. The 1 goes up. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. And now we have 62 plus 18 over here. Plus 18. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. So they ate 80 strawberries altogether. Now we have to subtract 80 from 458. So 458 minus 80. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 0, the top number is smaller, so we're going to borrow 10 from the hundreds place. That's going to be a 3. Now we have 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And the 3 drops, so that is going to be 378. Okay? Thank you.